Hello, welcome to my brand new channel. My name is Michelle Barrett. I have worked in the film industry for 25 years. I grew disillusioned by it, so a couple of years ago I decided that I wanted to make a change and I wanted to build an independent, remote online business. Now, when I started, I knew nothing about SEO. I didn't even know what SEO was. I knew nothing about sales funnels, algorithms, social media, all the different aspects which I've now used to actually build a successful business. So this channel is all about helping you if you are wanting to start an online business, if you're wanting to get out of an industry you're not happy in, whether it be the film industry, whether it be anywhere else, because let's face it, the economy isn't brilliant at the moment. So this is the perfect time, if you're sat at home, you're waiting for the phone to ring, to actually start something else and get inspired. Now, one thing that I will say is you see a lot of, particularly on Instagram, I've seen these things where they're like, be a remote worker, take our course, blah, 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 blah. Nothing wrong with that, but those people, for the vast majority, are living off people taking courses to become remote workers. They're remote workers because they're teaching other people to be remote workers. I just need to let you know I have a successful personal styling business, and that is what I've actually done. I am using that as my basis from starting from scratch, from not knowing anything, to help you do the same. Now, I honestly believe whatever background you have come from, you can translate that to a business online should you choose to. Even if you've come from a bricks and mortar background, which is essentially what I wasn't working online, and I've created this whole business, and that is what this is about. I'm going to take you through all the steps so that hopefully you don't make all the mistakes that I've made, because it has been like this, an absolute roller coaster, and taken me about 2.5 years to get to the point that I'm at now. Now, the reason why I'm doing this as well is because recently I was invited to an online talk where I was talking about how I'd started my online business and how I'd got started and all the different resources that I'd used as well. There's free resources out there, how I'd maximised the free entities of different kind of platforms online, so that even if you've got no money, you can at least get started. And I was really surprised at the response and how many people asked me questions afterwards. And I realised that just from having done it and, you know, taking the right route, then taking the wrong route, taking the right route, taking the wrong route, I could definitely help other people do the same thing. So if you are thinking about starting an online business, whether you've just started, whether you're thinking about an idea, whether you've not even thought of a name yet, this is definitely the channel for you. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see, because I always use that as my content. I reply to every single comment, and I will adapt this channel to your needs. If there's any questions you ask me, I will do my utmost to be able to answer them. I'm going to take you through how to use social media for the best, how to think about the algorithms, SEO, building a website, memberships, finding an audience, sales funnels, interacting with your audience, finding your niche. So many different aspects which are so important, including finding your name, finding a domain name, registering your business, etc., etc. So I can't wait to get started, because I have really enjoyed this this journey I've taken from start to finish, and now I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And I honestly believe wherever you are at right now, whether you want to bake cakes, whether you want to talk to people about bees, whatever it is you want to do, I honestly think you can build an online business doing it. The point is, if somebody else is doing it, so can you. I'll see you soon. Take care.